In this video, we will show you how to make a Philmac large bore EasyLOK joint using 110mm black polyethylene pipe. First, you need to disassemble the fitting, paying attention to the orientation of the components. Slide the nut onto the pipe spigot, followed by the collet, then the spacer, and finally the O-ring. There is no need for any special pipe preparation, simply cut the pipe square and remove any burrs. Insert the pipe into the fitting up to the internal stop and bring the components up to the fitting body and tighten by hand as far as possible. Final tightening up to the flange can be done using the appropriate sized Philmac spanner, which then provides a visual stop so you know the fitting is correctly installed for a reliable connection every time.